Hi, this is Play with Buzz. Today we're going sledding down a big hill behind us. Let's just go together. No, we can't. We might run into. Who's going first? Yeah, I'm going first. I'm going super far back, so I want to get maximum speed. Move out the way! 3, 2, 1, go. Hello. I'm going. Awesome. That was awesome. That was the coolest thing ever. My record's right here, so you can see if you can do it. Yeah, I don't think you can beat it. 3, 2, 1, sled, sled. Sled, sled. Follow the trail. I slid. Ah. Look what happened to it. I almost slipped. I'm gonna use this one now. Alright, this one. That one's bad. Oh man, I missed. There's a little bit of pinky stuff. You just got hit by me. No, hey, man, what's Snowball? I'm not dumb. I can see what you have.
No, it's just a pile of snow. It's powder.
No, it's a snowball. I can see what you have.
It's powder.
It's not powder.
It is. See? Powder.
Yeah, it's not powder.
It is.
It is not.
Snowballs look like that.
Yeah.
No, snowballs look like this.
It is a snowball. I know what you're doing.
Get out.
Hey, you wanna get out?
You wanna get out? You wanna get out? You wanna get out?
I win! You just made a bad decision.
What?
I missed. What'd you get? Ow. Yeah, try to hit me now. What? Try to hit me now. Ah! You can probably hit me off above if you throw it up above. I'm not dumb either. This is how you make a snowball. You take a pile of snow, pack it all the way until it turns into a ball. Take out the leaves, keep turning it until it turns into a ball. Take the leaves out. And there you go. Snowball.
You really take this, go like this, and then throw. And then tiny little ball. But if you want a big boy ball, then you gotta get to the shelter real fast, because otherwise the big boy balls will come in. Reload. Face shot!
I'm the cameraman.
Yeah, let's take the cameraman. What are you trying to do? Where the...
That was really fun, going down the hill and doing the snowball fight. I hope you had a great time watching this. Like and subscribe, and make sure
You hit the notification bell.
that too.
Bye-bye.
So now we're gonna go down to that hill, and we've never gone down this one. I don't care.
Yeah, we should go by down. Can you give me a little push? Push me.
Go.